Today, we're learning how to create glowing text in CapCut Mobile, a perfect way to make your titles or captions stand out with a vibrant, illuminated effect. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and import your video onto the timeline. Now, tap on text at the bottom toolbar and select Add Text. Type in your title or message, then adjust its position on the screen to fit your composition. Next, go to the Styles tab in the text editing menu. Here you will find a variety of customization options. Scroll through and tap on the glow section. You'll see several glow styles to choose from. Pick the one that fits your video's vibe. Now, let's customize it. Choose a glow color that stands out against your background. For example, neon blue, gold, or red works great depending on your scene. Below that, you'll see the intensity slider. This controls how strong the glow appears. Drag it to the right for a bright, bold glow, or to the left for a subtle, soft shine. Once you're happy with the look, play back your video to preview the glowing text in action. You can also combine it with text animations like fade in or flicker to make it even more dynamic. And that's it. You've just created glowing text in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tricks.